in the workshop today doing the grab. We've also got a bit of CNC plasma work kind of going on, and Kyle's learning from the pro here. Cutting out a wee bracket. Kyle's getting trained up on it. Making up some brackets for the top grab here. Doggies are running about. Then we'll need to get a couple of hoses made up for here, tee it all back in and that. And then hopefully we'll get it all painted the same colour as well, which will be good. Yeah. Right, I better go back. We're all getting trained up in the plasma cutter today for Willie, so better go back and see what he's saying. That's a video. I've managed to get it all made myself. Maybe a wee help for Kyle and Willie. Nah, they've done it all, to be fair. Good job. All nicely made up. All piped up as well. Kyle's done all that himself. Really good, actually. Well chuffed with that. Ready for the dung. Yeah. And then down to the pipes there. Brilliant. Oh well, happy days, done grab completed.